If you're looking to learn how to use Livestorm for audience interaction, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the key features and tips to engage your audience effectively using Livestorm's powerful platform. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be able to boost engagement and create a more interactive experience for your webinars, all while getting an exclusive extended free trial to the software. You won't want to miss that. So, let's dive into the first thing you should know. Livestorm offers an interactive platform that makes it super easy to engage with your audience in real time. One of the standout features is the ability to use live polls. These polls can help you gather instant feedback, create discussions, and keep your audience involved. You can create multiple choice or open-ended questions that allow your viewers to respond, and you can display the results right away during your session to spark more conversation. Next up, let's talk about Q&A. The Q&A feature is one of the most powerful ways to keep your audience engaged, especially during live webinars. You can activate it with just a click, allowing your attendees to submit their questions while you're speaking. This not only helps your audience feel heard, but also encourages interaction without interrupting the flow of your presentation. It's a great way to keep things smooth and organized. Another great feature is the chat functionality. Livestorm lets you chat with your viewers in private or in a group setting. This makes it easier to connect directly with your audience, whether it's answering a quick question or having a one-on-one conversation. Plus, you can enable moderators to help manage the conversation if you're hosting a large event. Livestorm also allows you to manage your audience's experience by offering customizable registration forms. This gives you a chance to gather more information about your attendees and segment your audience, so you can personalize your approach and deliver the most relevant content. This can also help you run polls or Q&A based on the specific interests or needs of different segments, making your interaction much more effective. For those of you looking to make your presentations even more engaging, you can share your screen to demonstrate content, play videos, or even conduct product demos. Livestorm supports high-quality video and screen sharing, which is essential for keeping the audience engaged and showing them exactly what you're talking about. Let's not forget about the analytics that Livestorm provides. After your webinar, you'll have access to detailed metrics that give you insight into your audience's behavior. From participation rates to how many questions were asked, this data helps you improve future webinars by understanding what your audience likes and where you can improve. Now, if you're new to the software, don't worry, it's easy to set up. You can create an account and start using Livestorm for free with our exclusive link below. With this offer, you'll be able to explore all of the features and begin practicing audience interaction without any commitment. Remember, the ability to manage polls, Q&A, chat, and personalized audience experiences is what truly sets Livestorm apart for anyone looking to create an engaging webinar or event. As a bonus, you'll also have access to some extra tools to help with follow-ups and automation, so you can save time while keeping your audience engaged before, during, and after your live sessions. Make sure to check the first link in the description below for your exclusive and extended free trial of Livestorm. Try it out for yourself and see how easy it is to connect with your audience and make your next webinar stand out. That's it for this quick guide on using Livestorm for audience interaction. If you want to take your online events to the next level, don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below and start interacting like a pro.